Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to publish your Expo app to the App Store using the Xcode. Okay, so I had created this my project which is using the Expo. So this is my project called Auto AI Sorts, which is available over the Play Store as well as App Store. So how I generally create the build, or like how do I publish my app over the App Store. So if you are using Expo, so first I'm using a pre-build, so make sure to run the npx export pre-build command. So what it's gonna do, it will create the Android directory as well as the iOS directory, so you have to make sure that that directory should exist. Okay, now after that, to create the build, so we generally use the EAS. All right, so instead of we are gonna use the EAS as well, but you can use this command. Like, first you have to initialize your project to the EAS as well. Like, if you're gonna use EAS, it's up to you. Like, you don't need EAS for the iOS, for the Android. Okay, so first let me summarize this. So to publish your Expo app to the App Store, what you have to do, first you have to create your project, and after that, once you create your project, you have to create you will get the bare Expo project. Right now, to make that development build project, you have to run this command npx expo pre-build. Once this command get run, you will get the Android directory as well as the iOS directory. Okay, now you have to open this iOS directory to the Xcode. So let me open the Xcode. How we gonna do it? So on the Xcode, you have to open the existing project, click on here. Now this is my project called Auto AI Sorts. So I have to open the iOS directory. Okay, that's only I have to do. Once I open the iOS directory, I have to click on this project, and you have to log in you have to click on sign in capabilities, and you have to log into your Apple developer account. So I had already logged in this, but if you want to log in again, so you can click on add an account and you can just do a quick login here. Okay, now what's gonna be next, like to create the build. So if you're using Expo, what's gonna happen mostly, like you run this command npx expo build, then EAS build platform iOS profile production, which is a slow, like, which is taking process, right, which is runs over the cloud and create the build. So instead of relying it on this, what I would say, like, just open the Xcode. Okay, and on the Xcode, you have to go here. Let me open back. You have to click on the product. Okay, and click on the archive. So that's what gonna do. It will create the build and it will gonna upload over the TestFlight. And once you get that, and after that, you will be able to access that. Okay, also just one disclaimer here. So you have to also update the version as well. So how you can update that, you have to go to the app.json here, and you have to update the version. So every time you have to keep updating that, and after that, once you update that, you have to run this command npx export build. So if you don't want to use local build, you can use this command as well, EAS build platform iOS profile production dash auto submit. It will ask you for the login in the earlier, and once you get login, it will automatically get uploaded to the App Store. Now once you get to the App Store, let me quickly do a login App Store Connect, and here you will see your all the apps. Okay, also there's one my app which is called Auto AI Sorts, which is available over the Play Store as well as the App Store. You guys can please check it out and give some love to this app. I had built this app by spending a lot of times, and I really appreciate if you guys just rate me anything, like rate me out of 5 on this project. But yeah, this is how you can do a quick let me add in my email quickly and do a login, and let me guide you quickly as well, like how you can do that. So once you do a login here, like the build will be uploaded over the App Store Connect, and after that, you will see, like, you have to click on the apps, and here you will see your all the projects, and inside this, let me click on this AI video, and here you get the TestFlight. Here you get the build, and you can just share with, and you can just invite yourself and test the app, and once it get done, you can just distribute that app as well. So yeah, that's how you can do, like, that's how you can create the Expo app, like, that's how you can publish your Expo app to the App Store using the Xcode in a very simpler way. If you have any question, any doubt, just let me know. We'll help you out. Thank you. Bye.